Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Aunty, and today you can see I have a brush in my hand. So literally we are doing watercolor painting and I want to draw beautiful flowers with this. I'm doing it for the first time. Let's see how it works. So first what you have to do is you have to just dip your brush in water and just gilau your paper, okay? After you gilau your entire paper, you have to keep on taking water, okay? Take a good amount of water and give very light shades behind. We don't want very bright shades. Remember that, children, we need very light shades just for the background. And this will be a therao painting. Therao painting in the sense that we will have to keep on waiting till everything dries. So we are just giving a good background color. See, the colors which I'm using is yellow, brown, blues, not very bright colors like pinks and oranges. No, I'm not using those colors. I'm using very dull colors for the background because our entire painting is going to be give a very a very thanda look with white flowers. So this is the way we have just done the background, children. Can you see? Now again we'll have to wait for the entire thing to dry. So I'll have to stop my video. See, I've done the background. If you want, we can put a little blue. Oh, this has become too dark. So let's put a little blue, and it is giving a tinge of green, so it might be green. I don't know. So done, children. See the background. The background is very light. But first remember, you have to wet your paper before you do this. So we will have to wait for this to dry. And after this dries, we will start the other step, okay? So keep patience. Okay, children, see, it is dried. It is not completely dried, okay? It is dried, semi dried. और जैसे ये semi dried है, मतलब ये कलर फैलेगा नहीं. थोड़ा सा हमको कलर अगर वाइट में आएगा तो चलेगा. वी वॉन्ट दैट. सी, नाउ I've taken the Jadia brush. It is not a very Jadia brush, and that's what I'm taking my white color. Can you see this white color? Now we will make flower-like structures here, okay? With water in my hand. So we are just making flower-like structures. Let it be a free hand drawing, children. Remember, you don't have to draw the flowers to make it, okay? You just have to make it. This will be the beauty of the painting. I don't know whether you all are able to see it properly or no. I have made a flower here. We'll give a little bit of details to the flowers later on. So we have to keep on making it, okay? So this is one more patta. We are doing it white. White is Jadia color which we are taking. 5 petal flowers, children. 5 petal flowers. So do it anyhow. Okay. Now first let me finish these 2 flowers, because unless and until I don't complete those flowers, even you all will not understand. But वो समझने की बात नहीं है, उसमें layers डलते रहेंगे. This is like that, okay, and this is like that. And we'll keep on putting layers of colors on it. It's a very beautiful way, you know, playing with colors and making flowers. It is like हम भगवान जी और हम फूल बना रहे. It is like that, you know. It gives that happiness. Like how when Bhagwan ji must have created flowers, even he must have created in such a way. ऐसा मन में आता है, मेरे मन में आता है. अभी तुम लोगों के मन का मुझे नहीं मालूम भैया. मेरे मन में आता है, आई लॉर्ड, हम तो ये फ्लावर के भगवान जी बन गए. हम ये फ्लावर को उत्पन्न कर रही हूँ. ऐसा मेरे मन में आता है. आने दो. थोड़ा तो आने देना चाहिए ना मन में. ऐसे प्यारे विचार तुम लोग के मन में आते हैं कि नहीं भगवान मालिक के, लेकिन मेरे मन में बहुत ऐसे विचार आते हैं. सो आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू. ओके, सी नाउ. अभी तुम लोग को ऐसा पता नहीं चल रहा मैंने किधर कौन से फ्लावर कर दिए, पर हो गए हैं फ्लावर्स. आई हैव गिवन देम पोजिशंस, ओके. नाउ अगेन आई डिप माई ब्रश इन वाटर. सी, आई हैव डिप्ड माई ब्रश इन वाटर. And we'll take a little bit of watercolors. Can you see this watercolors? Tick. Don't see it, very गंदा. अभी हम लोग थोड़ा सा बफ कलर लेंगे. जैसे इधर थोड़ा सा बफ डाल दिया, इधर से ऐसे कर दिया ये फ्लावर्स को. It is just doing it naturally, okay? You don't have to really bother कौन सा कलर किधर जा रहा है, just keep on doing it. पहले हम ये कलर लेते हैं, फिर हम लोग खेलेंगे, सब कलर्स के साथ खेलेंगे. So but keep on doing it in the shape of the flower and it will come out to be really pretty. See, this is the buff color, children, which we are using. We will use different colors also. Now again you just have to wash your brush and we will take a bit of yellow, put a bit of yellow here and there. See, have you seen I've put yellow? Again we'll wash, and now again the magic is that we will again take white. See, again we are taking white and again we are making the petals. You all must be wondering कि ये क्या रही है तनु आंटी, but then this is the way the flowers really come out to be very pretty later on. There is a good amount of layer which you will have to do, but you all will understand. Layer by layer we will do. तुम बोलोगे वापस वाइट करना था तो वो कलर किया ही क्यों, ऐसा बहुत सारे बच्चे पूछते हैं, बट वो करना पड़ता है तभी वो सुंदर आता है बच्चा पार्टी. ओके, नाउ अगेन वी क्लीन and till our flowers are drying, what we will do is give a little bit of background to the flowers, okay, so that the flowers can pop out. So to give those backgrounds we will take the darkest brown which we have. Yes, this is the darkest brown. Let's see if it suits. If it does not suit, we will change. So take a good amount of water on your brush, your brown color, okay, and you just have to tap it. मतलब ऐसा करके ऐसे छोड़ देने का. Okay, this is the way you are supposed to give the bordering lines to it. Okay, now you take good amount of water, change the color fast. Now again you take a good amount of water. Now it is becoming little brighter. We don't want it to be so bright, है ना. ये सब तुमको समझेगा after it is done. Till you keep on playing. You know, you remember we had done a cub initially. You remember, if you all remember, we have done a cub. Cub में भी we kept on playing with the colors till the best result came out. Watercolors are just like that. You just have to play with the colors, and that is the fun of watercolors. I like to play with watercolors. Watercolors are fun. See now how often I'm changing the colors. See, initially we did a very light tinge, correct? And now our tinge is changing. Now we cannot keep the tinge so bright. So what we do is we just have to bring it up. This is just to show the petals, but the petals are not to be shown so directly. So what we do is we give a darker shade at the background, and then again we have to just smudge it off. Here it's yellow, so let's make it a bit yellow here. It's a beautiful way of narrating colors. Now see, this was green and here I have taken blue. Can you see? This is called back painting. We have done the flowers, and now what we are doing is we are playing with the background of the flowers. Okay, now my flowers are also not very dried up that I can start with it, but yes, what I can do is I can start off with some grays. You know, I really like to do a little bit of gray color now, so I'll take black instead, and now I'll start giving a few. See, this is the petal, this is the petal. Okay, now this will look horrible unless and until we don't fellow it, so we have to just fellow it. You understand the meaning of fellow now? कि रायता फैल गया, कि रायता फैल गया, हंगामा हो गया, है ना, ऐसे हंगामा हो गया। अभी बोलेंगे अभी ग्रे ही करना था तो वाइट फ्लावर्स किए ही क्यों, ऐसे कोई बच्चा बोल सकता है तनु आंटी को, पर करते रहो करते रहो। See, now this flower I'm again going to put white on it. See, I have white on my brush and again I'm putting a little bit of white here on every petal. So you all will understand the meaning of how the flower is actually made. This type of paintings, children, is really fun, but then you need to keep a good amount of patience. You cannot say कि एक करके हो गया, ऐसा नहीं बोलने का है बच्चा पार्टी, क्योंकि एक होके नहीं होगा. You will have to keep on putting your best efforts to do it. So you keep on going, you keep on doing experiments with it, and ultimately it will happen, because ultimately it is a flower and a flower is always beautiful however you all do it. Correct? Now I'm putting a little good amount of gray here. Can you see? अभी ये ग्रे ऐसा हो गया. अभी I will mix it with yellow now. You just check this out. Check it out. ओए मेरा येलो तो मैंने उत्थे ही रख दिया. हंगामा हो गया. Somewhere dark shades, somewhere dark and somewhere light shades. Keep on washing and cleaning your brush well. हंगामा हो गया. You all must be wondering, यार तनु आंटी क्या कर रही है. मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही, मैं फूल बना रही हूँ. धीरे धीरे बनेंगे, अभी धीरे धीरे से मेरी जिंदगी में आना, धीरे धीरे से इस दिल को चुराना, प्यार हमें है तुमसे कितना, जाने जाना हमसे मिलकर. अभी ये जब तक ये फ्लावर्स हमारे ड्राई होते हैं ना, हम लोग कुछ और कीड़ा कांडी करते हैं. बताऊं क्या? हम लोग पानी लेते हैं, हम कोई भी मस्त पैकी ब्लू लेते हैं, ब्लू कलर लेते हैं, और ऐसे ये देखो ऐसे कर दिया मैंने. ठीक है, अभी इधर किया ना, तो इधर भी ऐसा कुछ जिगजैग में छोड़ देने का. See, you all must be wondering what Tanu aunty is doing, but Tanu aunty is doing something which will look pretty. जो अपने आँखों को अच्छा लगे वो करते जाने का. सो आई हैव जस्ट मेड दिस. नाउ अगेन आई क्लीन माई ब्रश चिल्ड्रन. अभी मैं क्या करती हूँ, ब्राउन कलर लेती हूँ. ब्राउन कलर से ऐसे एक पत्ता बना देती हूँ, और ये ऐसे करके एक पत्ता बन गया. ये कली है कि क्या है पता नहीं, तो हम इसमें थोड़ा सा हल्का सा ब्लैक भी मिला देते हैं. So it will give a good look. इधर का थोड़ा सा ब्लैक कर देते हैं, और फिर इसको ऐसे फैला देते हैं. See, this all I am doing when my painting is little semi-dry. Okay, my painting is not completely dried, children. It is semi-dried, and I am doing all these kida kandi. Now again, I just thought we'll make a bud. So let's make a bud here. So again I'm putting a little white here. Okay, a little white. I'll wash. I'll take a buff color and I'll make the bud. You need not make the bud really very beautiful, because ऐसे ही छोड़ोगे तो ज़्यादा प्यारा दिखेगा. Just few lines here and there, showing that ये सब लकड़ी है फूलों की. Okay, now this part should start right away. I think so we shouldn't waste much of time here. So what we do is we take our watercolor pencils. If you all are having, it will be just great. Now just concentrate on this flower. We are going to take this color, we are going to take the brown color, we are going to play with many colors. Okay, so keep yourself ready with many watercolor pencils. अभी हम क्या करेंगे, सिर्फ ये फ्लावर पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना. ये फ्लावर के इधर हम लोगों ने ऐसे कर दिया. उसके बाद नीचे की तरफ हम लोगों ने इसमें वही पोजीशन में हमने ऐसे गिची करके हमने ये कर दिया. अभी we'll take the orange color and we'll start making these stigmas. You all understand what is the stigma of a flower, correct? So let's start making few stigmas. Keep on cleaning your pencils, children, that is very essential. And wherever you feel you have to give some depth, you can give it. And after it dries, it is going to just look superb. Okay, now what we will do is few black colors to be done. So this is done. Now we'll go to the other flower. Now when we go to the other flower, first we are going to take our brown, children. See, this is semi-dry, that is why it is happening. If it is fully dry, you will have to ragdo your pencil. This is all semi-dry, okay? I am just telling you, नहीं तो बोलोगे यार तनु आंटी ने कर दिया तो हमसे क्यों नहीं हो रहा. ये इसलिए नहीं हो रहा क्योंकि अगर आपका एकदम ड्राई हो जाएगा तो नहीं होएगा. तो you all have to work everything, whatever you all do. See, I am just putting tiki. Okay? Now I am playing with my orange colors and giving few bristles here and there. Wherever I feel I have to put a little darker shade, I will do that. हंगामा हो गया, हंगामा हो गया, गिरता फैल गया, फैल गया. See, flowers are something, you know, कुछ भी करो वो सुंदर ही दिखने वाले हैं. तो तुमको कुछ ज़्यादा करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. तुम लोग ट्राई करना. अगर तुमको लगता है कि तनु आंटी ने कुछ खोटा बोला है, कुछ गलत बोला है, तो फिर मेरे को बताना. पर मैंने कुछ गलत नहीं बोला है. बिकॉज फ्लावर्स आर समथिंग which take their own position themselves. You don't have to work for them. They work for themselves. Flowers do work for themselves. हंगामा हो गया. See, you should understand कौन से फ्लावर को कैसे करने का है, and then it will work well. Here I feel I have to give a little bit of water to make it look a bit, you know, you understanding. So हम दे देंगे. उसमें क्या है, इसमें क्या है. ओके, सो इधर थोड़ी बूंदी बूंदी कम बन गई है, तो लेट अस मेक दिस बूंदी बूंदी डिक चिक डिक चिक डिक चिकड़ा डिक चिक डिक चिकड़ा डिक चिक डिक चिकड़ा. और इधर मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है थोड़ा सा ऑरेंज कलर करेंगे तो ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. अभी मेरी सारी पेंसिल्स गंदी गंदी हो गई. सो लेट मी गिव सम ऑरेंज कलर हियर with a little bit of bristles. Okay, now this orange color will be here because this is half a flower. This is not full of flower. Understand your flower. Wherever you feel, whatever you have to do, please do it for your flower. The flower is dying for your imagination. The flower also needs you to imagine itself. When you imagine a flower, the flower will be so happy. so happy है ना. फ्लावर को भी तो मजा आएगा. फ्लावर भी तो बोलेगी अरे किसी ने तो हमारे लिए कुछ सोचा. करेक्ट. नहीं तो कोई सोचता है क्या फ्लावर के लिए कभी भी. ओके, नाउ सी दिस पार्ट. My blue color is not here, so I'm just doing it with the pencil colors. And yes, ऐसे कर दिया. अभी now I'll do it with watercolors. I think so watercolors will look better. So I'm taking a little green here. I feel there should be a little green here. So just putting a little bit of green inside here. We had put initially. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि नहीं किया था. Just putting a little bit of green. I just wanted the sap green to be available here. Oi. And then water. Water, 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 water. See, you're playing with dark and whites. You know, when we were small, we used to see those roses on. We used to have that greeting card wala. You know, in Diwalis and all, people used to give greeting cards to each other. That was during our time. Now, तो everybody sends greetings on WhatsApp and जैसे तुम लोगों के stickers वगैरह होते, तब हमारे greeting cards होते थे. On those greeting cards जितने भी होते थे ना मोस्टली फ्लावर्स के होते थे. एंड वी यूज टू थिंक क्या मस्त फ्लावर्स है यार, क्या सुपर्ब दिख रहे. एंड व्हेन वी यूज टू ट्राई मेकिंग इट वी वर नेवर एवर एबल टू डू इट. But slowly we learned the tactics of doing the flowers. Now see, I'm just putting my bright white colors from outside inside. See, just check this out. See, this is my white color on my brush. अभी मैं क्या करूँगी, ये पेटल्स के इधर से ना से थोड़ा थोड़ा white करूँगी. That will enhance the beauty of the flower. मेरे को पता है तुम लोग बहुत पक गए हो, बोलो क्या करती जा रही है, क्या करती जा रही है, कितने layers डालेगी. See, the more layers you put, it will look pretty. It is not necessary that you all do it. It has to look shabby. More shabby the flower, the better it will look. Remember that. So a little bit. I usually don't teach watercolors because all my students, even on canvas and scissors, they are the small little chinu minus and a little big ones also. But then आज बोला आज कर ही लेते हैं यार, बहुत हो गया, बहुत ऑयल पेस्टल कर दिया. You know, I want to teach you all canvas, and recently I am going to make one canvas, a big canvas, but I don't know where should I put my camera and how should I show it to you. So I don't know whether I'll really be able to do that for you all, but I wish I can do it. Canvas painting is something I don't know how to teach. I can do it, but I don't know how to teach you all. That is the lafda. Because canvas painting ऐसा नहीं होती ना कि half an hour में 1 hour में हो जाए, वो होती नहीं है. वो करने के लिए we have to really keep on having, because canvas painting is waiting. और वो waiting कर करके I complete my one canvas in 4-5 days. इतना पेशेंस तनु आंटी में सिखाने के लिए नहीं है. कर तो मैं फिर भी सकती हूँ, सिखाने में उतना पेशेंस नहीं. एनीवेज, so these flowers are done, children. Do make it and do post it on canvas and scissors. I want to see how my children do these. एक मिनट, इधर मेरे को थोड़ा गंदा लग रहा है, इसको मैं ठीक कर देती हूँ. मैं कुछ ना कुछ देखती रहूँगी फिर करती रहूँगी. मेरा ऐसा ही बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, मेरे को इधर से ना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. So keep on seeing, keep on doing till you get your best results, children. Even I do it till I don't get my best part of. इट्स ओके, ये हमारा उड़ता हुआ फ्लावर है. So bye bachus, enjoy your day and do make it and post it in Canvas and Scissors group, that is a Facebook group for children. Bye bye.